Oppo Mobile 5 best model Tecnopova 5 feature a 6.4878-inch display powered by the halogen chip 99 chips with 8 GB RAM and up to 56 GB storage with 6,000 mAh battery. Tecnopova 5 Pro featured with a 6.78-inch display demonstrating 6080 chip 8 GB RAM and up to 256 GB storage. Battery is 5000 mAh. Uh, Tecnopova 3 offer 4 GB RAM, 46 GB storage, and 7000 mAh battery. Pova Tecno 4 comes with 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and a 6000 mAh battery. Tecno Spark 10 Pro features Sola 16 GB RAM, 8 GB extended RAM, 256 GB storage, and 50,000 mAh battery. Thanks for watching my video.